Hello wonderful people, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm a procurement agent, importer and importation coach. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Alipay to another Alipay, step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. The first thing first, you have to go to your Alipay. I'm going to click on my Alipay account right here. When you click on your Alipay, then you have to make use of search engine right here. Just copy and paste the account number you are sending money to on the search engine. Once you paste the account number on the search engine, it's going to bring out the account in detail, such as name of the account, other stuff like that. And the next thing you need to do is to click on transfer. Then you have to enter the figure, amount of money you are sending. Once you enter the amount you are sending, then you have to click on transfer. Then the next thing you need to do right here is to click on confirm. Then at the point here, you need to authorize your payment, your transfer. So I'm going to use my password. Then you enter your authorization password. Then Alipay is going to connect. Boom. So you can see transfer done successful. So this is how you can send money from Alipay to another Alipay account. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this about Alipay. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.